of your paper, you have a color, but this one's a little bit different because it's doubles. So what you want to do is you want to solve like all the 6 plus 6's, that's 12. So I look for all the 6 plus 6, and what color is 12? 12 is going to be orange. So I might find these ones and color all the 6 plus 6 because I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. That's kind of an easy one to start with, right? So I'm going to find all of the 12s and color them orange. Let's see if we can find any more. Yep, here's a 6 plus 6, that's 12. Here's a 6 plus 6, it's 12. This one's 12. Good. So then you could pick another one. Like the next one I see is 1 plus 1. What's 1 plus 1? The answer is 2. And 2s are pink. So I'm going to find all of the 1 plus 1 and color those pink. It looks like the pinks and the orange are right next to each other. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. I can add the doubles up. 1 plus 1 is 2. Very good. All right, a couple more. There's one up here and one over here. Okay, the next one says light green, and that answer is 4. So what plus what equals 4? Yep, 2 plus 2. So we're going to find all the 2 plus 2's here, and we're going to color them light green. Look at that cute little grasshopper. I think that's all the 2 plus 2's I see. Okay, the next answer is 6. So what 2 numbers add up to be 6? What are we going to look for? Yep, 3 plus 3. Because 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. I can add the numbers up. 3 plus 3 is 6. Nice. Very good. There's lots of 3 plus 3's, huh? And the answer for 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, the next one says dark blue. So sometimes when I do dark blue, it looks a little purplish. But this answer is 14. So what 2 numbers, when we add them together, equal 14? Do you remember? Yeah, 7 and 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. I can add the numbers up. 7 plus 7 is 14. Good job. Good. Did I get them all? Okay, the last one says dark green, so I think I'm going to need to find my dark green. Oops. There we go. And 16 is dark green. So this is a harder one, but we know what's left is 8 plus 8 is 16. So we can color all of the ones that are left dark green because those are 8 plus 8. And there you go. You finished your assignment. So when you're all finished, you put it in the basket with your name on it and go ahead and get started on Dream Pops. Good work today. All right, boys and girls, this time we're doing doubles. But we're going to be thinking of doubles a little bit backwards. So first, let's put our name on our paper so we get that out of the way. Then, so we look at these 2 numbers and we add them together, and I put the answer up on top because these are the parts and that is the whole. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And on this one, oh boy, Mr. Stewart, he's silly. He's acting like a gorilla. Can you hear him? 7 plus 7, what's that answer? It's 14. 2 plus 2 is 4. Ooh, this is a big one. 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is actually what? It's 20. Oh, tricky one. 0 plus 0. If I have 0 plus 0, the answer is still just 0. You guys should know this one. 5 plus 5 is 10. Good. The next one's pretty easy. We have 1 plus 1. What's that? 2. The next two are some of the hardest ones to remember. So we have 8 plus 8. Do you remember what that one is? 16. Very good. And 9 plus 9. That one's hard. We think of the semi-truck. 18. Good. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 6 plus 6 is 12. Nice job. Okay, on the